Doing historical research in libraries and archives. To write a historical essay, you must collect data through both primary and secondary sources, which are found in libraries and archives. You can find primary sources like diaries and letters in their original form, while secondary sources included books and articles written by the historians that interpret primary sources. So, primary sources, these are records of events as they first happened, without interpretation or commentary. Example of these primary sources is personal journals, letters, court proceedings, or etc. So, libraries or archives hold sources or the primary sources or the secondary in many formats like books, journals, photo, audio, or video. So, primary sources in doing historical research in library, primary sources, you handle original documents. So, this gives you a direct, authentic connection to the past that digital copy miss. The archive hold materials that haven't been digitalized yet. So, moto kung giingon nga na yung mga materials or mga resources nga na nga to sa archives or libraries nga kanang wala sa digital or wala gi-release sa mga author into digital form or sa social media. So while doing this while using the libraries and archive in doing historical research, you learn vital research skills.